Hi, I'm Mr. Lee.
Hi, I'm Mr. Wu.
With the release of our teacher's performance of the Tokyo Gorin Ondo 2020, this concludes our PE, Music, and VA crossover Olympics unit. We are here to share with you an unexpected news. With the severity of the coronavirus pandemic escalating worldwide, the International Olympics Committee and local organizers of the 2020 Summer Olympics in Tokyo announced last Tuesday that the event will be postponed. The organizers stated that the Games will now open on July 23, 2021 and close on August 8, 2021. The Paralympics game will be held between August 24th and September 5th, 2021.
This is the first time in history where the Olympics was postponed. In the past, the game has been only cancelled in 1916, 1940, and 1944 during the First and Second World War. The rescheduling of the Olympics will affect many parties around the world. Over 11,000 athletes from 206 nations have been prepared to compete in 339 events this year. Thousands more were planning to work in some parts of the event, from staff, vendors, hotel clerks, to trainers and coaches. Large number of people planned to travel and attend the event, proven by the fact that 5 million tickets were sold out last year.
Japan will probably receive the hardest hit, as they have spent more than $12 billion preparing for the event. However, the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has agreed that a postponement was the most appropriate response to the global outbreak. Thomas Bach, the chairman of the International Olympic Committee, declared that the Olympic Games and Paralympic Games will continue to be called the Olympic and Paralympic Games Tokyo 2020, even when they are held next year. The Olympic torch relay will be rescheduled, but it has been decided that the Olympic flame will stay in Japan as a symbol of hope to the world during these troubled times.
Besides the Olympic Games, many major sports competitions are all suspended. The 5 major football leagues in England, Germany, Spain, France, and Italy are all suspended to further notice. The major sports leagues in America, such as the NBA, the National Football League, the Major League Baseball, and the National Hockey League, are also on pause. The UEFA's European Championship will also be postponed to 2021. As a sport developer, we feel that the cancellation of so many sports events is such a pity. Under the circumstances now, this cannot be helped. This is to prevent the spread of disease as well as to protect the health of everybody. If sports has taught us anything, it's that we always come back stronger together. So for now, stay home, stay safe. We hope to see everyone very soon. Bye!